The Lewis Music Library has audio equipment that can be checked out at the front desk. In this video, we will give you an overview of that equipment. The library has many different microphones, like condenser microphones with both fixed and selectable polarity patterns, dynamic vocal microphones, dynamic instrument microphones and lavalier microphones, or lapel mics that can attach to clothing and are used for interviews. For portable recording, there are portable audio and video recorders. Also available are small portable MIDI keyboards and 4-channel mixing boards. The library has many accessories such as XLR microphone cables and XLR to 1/4-inch cables, as well as external disk drives for both Mac and PC. They also have desktop microphone stands, floor microphone stands, double microphone brackets that allow you to use 2 microphones, as well as a tripod for video recorders. All equipment checks out at the front desk and is due back the following day by closing time. If you have any other questions or need assistance with extending a loan, please consult with a library staff member at the front desk.